Hello folks, in this video we're going to talk about some available animations, body animations in iClone. So first of all, as usual, we select our character here and then go to the right, an animation tab, and we select motion puppet. Okay, a new window appears. So here there are 4 categories of animations: idle, mood, move, and talk. In the idle, there are different animations such as boxing idle, like natural idle, drunk, and others. And here you can see there are different customization options that we can have. And like what we had in facial puppet, here we have preview and record buttons. In preview, we can see the changes that are going to be applied, and in record, we can record the motion clip that we want. So let's try one of them. For example, in here, I want to try drunk. I select it and then click on preview and hit space key. And you can see this is the drunk idle. And there are customization options. For example, you can have the shoulders up, you can have shoulders down, or you can put it in the middle. Or, for example, you can have loose neck, you can see, or stiff neck. So I hit space key, and let's go, for example, to move. There are different type of movements. For example, basic running, or we can have the other basic, or for example, we have tiptoe here. And in talk, we have also different talking styles. For example, here is actually explaining something, and you can see here this is refusing style. In order to record one of them, for example, we press we want to have refuse talk, and we press on record and hit space key, and this animation is recording. Okay, and next I want to have, after this refuse talk, I want to have the mood. For example, surprise. I click on record, hit space key, and then hit space key to stop. Okay, and close this tab. Let's see the result. At first we had refuse, and then we have this surprise. If you press F3 here in the timeline, you can see the animations, these 2 animations that we created.